Hello, everybody. This is Richard Daigle, and today I want to tell you about a real life internet miracle. It's called the shiny ball syndrome, and it's the $10 miracle that ends your money worries. Uh, Now, I was skeptical when I first saw this. I thought, oh, wow, it's just another little money game. But man, was I shocked. Uh, you just come and you see this 1 minute video. Uh, and if it doesn't convince you to join and pay a one-time $10 fee in order to make 50% commissions on two levels, uh, where you can actually get your money back if you don't make money with it. Um, it also builds a list of leads for you. I mean, this little program was created by artificial intelligence. They actually asked AI to design a money making program and a lead generator that could be effective for everyone, even complete newbies. And this is what they created. And in just a very few days, it's become viral. I mean, so many people who have struggled to make commissions and to build leads and get a list are just jumping in this like mad. So I want you to go ahead and look at this little video. I've got the description below. Uh, if you join under me, I will give you a splash page that links to the video. Uh, and it's important that you use the splash page because the link on the $10 miracle doesn't work in frames like safe list and traffic exchanges, and that's mainly how I market. So having a splash page is very important. So you get this one and you also get this one. I dare you to see this 1 minute video. The $10 miracle ends your money worries forever. So I ask you to go ahead and click it, watch this video, join, pay your one-time $10, get your link, reach out to me to get the splash pages that you can duplicate with your free Leads Leap account, and you're off to the races. Many people are seeing commissions within hours of showing their sites. So go ahead, look at the video, join, do it now. Take action. This really, really works. Okay, this is Richard Daigle signing out, and I thank you for listening.